So I just came back from a long week of travel with a lot of delayed flights and everything. And I got a few packages here for review on the channel. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I've been waiting for this one for a long time. This is the Smart PTC camera, which is solar powered. This is gonna be really useful. There's been a few car robberies here in the neighborhood, so this is gonna really help for that. Let's take a quick look. I've installed several of these before, so it shouldn't be that difficult. But here are the instructions anyway. Here's the solar panel and the hardware you need to install it. The base. This is the actual camera. So we'll work on this later today. Let me put it back here for now. Well, after further analysis, I decided not to set up the camera in that corner. I'm gonna put it in this post here. So I'll have a look of the pool and the alley here. We have a new trailer there, so it's gonna go up there. Of course, we have to install the antenna first. We're gonna put the base all the way up. I'm gonna put it right there, and the camera will go somewhere there. I think that looks good. Let's do it. So I put the mount on. Let's check here. That's the SD card. We can close this out. We can turn it on here. Let's mount it. There it is.
Connecting to the network, please wait. Connection succeeded.
So now we're connected. So there's the installation. Pretty simple. 6 screws. The panel should get a lot of sun there. Not today because it's kind of cloudy, but there you have it. I have a red blinking dot there. So let me go in, work on the app. So let's see, here's a quick start guide. I think I'm ahead of that already because this is gonna be just the installation. What's in the box. So turn it on, we already did that. Install the camera, we already did that. Everything is on. Mounting brackets, that's on. The sun, we're gonna get more than enough. So now, let's go to the app. Vigil app, so let's look for it here. I don't need notifications, so let's continue. Oh, they want me to buy an app VIP membership. I'm not gonna do that. So let's see if it lets me do it. I'm not buying any subscriptions for anything related to this. So I don't know if it's gonna let me connect the camera, but let's go out and see. Wow, so it's asking me to get a subscription. I'm definitely not gonna do that. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to add the camera here. Again, asking me for that. I don't want it. So I guess I won't be able to connect because I'm not buying a subscription. I get too many of these products. So you get the idea. This is the camera. I'm sure it does great. I'm gonna put some images of the official website so you can see how it is. But again, I think it's not worth buying subscriptions for this kind of services since you already have an SD card, all the things. So I don't know. Installation was easy at least.